I'll use the lens of a student called Jamie to illustrate the problem we're tackling and the solution we're developing. Jamie loves learning to code through an online course, but works in isolation at home and only gets the results of automated testing and no feedback on some aspects of code quality, like appropriate variable names or documentation. The system we're building will allow Jamie to log in, upload his code, and see the results of automated testing. And although that's not particularly novel, we're integrating it with other functions, such as being able to use an assignment help forum consisting of students doing the same MOOC and fostering a peer community. Once he submitted his code, he would peer review a couple of other students' code, commenting on those aspects that can't be marked automatically, while also seeing alternative ways of implementing the same assignment.
The main components of our system will be built using a web framework known as Django. Web pages will be created using HTML and CSS. MySQL will be used for the database. We will incorporate Annotate.js, a JavaScript library, to allow commenting of code, and JSTree, a jQuery plugin, to visually represent a student's uploaded files. Linux hosts will store and process student files, either via Amazon Web Services or through the use of Docker. The best implementation for this functionality is still being investigated. Our system will adhere to the Learning Tools interoperability specification, which asserts that externally hosted web applications can be seamlessly connected to one another. That is our system in Blackboard. Authentication only need occur once, and data, such as grade information, can be passed between the systems.
The team comprises of 6 members, and the project will take 180 hours in total to complete. The overall structure of the team is based around a project manager, a lead programmer, a lead designer, 2 programmers, and 1 designer. The total cost of the build team is almost $30,000. The cost of running the project from the university is almost $520,000, while the cost of running the project independently from the university is a little over $600,000.
The team has used a risk assessment value chart to determine likelihood and impact of risks. Out of identified areas, there were 5 with a significant impact found. Some of the mitigation strategies are 1.2. Open and professional communication and allocate backup roles. 1.5. Best match skill sets. 2.2. Maintain a good level of communication with the client. 5.1. Data storage in Git and UQ Cloud Zone during development. 7.1. Retrieval of an LTI framework's login and password and granting of access levels.